Hi, this is my bike. Starting off with the frame, got a Federal Notorious 07, non-heat treated, got that pretty cheap. Got profile cranks, GT sprocket, a random chain with a profile bottom bracket, and I got the flush bolts for it too. Moving on back, I got the Bmx cassette hub with white spokes and a Sun Big City light. Seat post and clamp on that is a United seat clamp, 20 seat post and a We The People seat. Moving on forward, you got We The People helium forks, I think. Don't know where they are from or how old they are, picked them off of a mate. I got a proper front hub, female axle with white spokes and again a Big City light. I got braking, exposure brake. I got an Odyssey Evo 2 somewhere, gotta go and find it though. With the clear brake pads, they're real nice, make a noise and warn everyone. Pink Sins cable. Odyssey Grizzle grips. They're real comfortable, soft, worn down a bit, get some new ones later. We The People plastic bar ends. We The People lock stock bars and a Verd stem. F-set brake lever, not really too bothered, that brakes. Got the old Odyssey plastic pedals. Amoeba headlock, because I broke my original cat with the threads and that. Stolen headset, and I think that pretty much wraps up my bike. Tyres, Maxxis Max Daddy and Maxxis Ringworm. So rate, comment, subscribe, whatever. See you later.